Welcome to the Showcase Home, featuring our electric trade partner, CMC Electric. As we all know, the electric in your home is extremely vital for your appliances, lights, computers, TV, and so much more. The electric system of today's homes are very complex and has gone through many code compliance changes to ensure the safety for homeowners.
Yeah, I'm Carrie with CMC Electric, and we were honored to be the electrical contractors at the HBR Showcase Home. Want to thank Tracy for having us to get to explain our process a little bit in a new construction project. For the electrical installation, there's two phases, the rough-in phase and the trim-out phase. But before we start any of that, we like to meet with the homeowner or the contractor and walk through the house and get exact placements of receptacles, switches, outlets, and see if there's any additions or changes that need to be made prior to beginning. If you wanted to have an outlet up high for a TV or special equipment in a certain room, we can make all of those changes before we get started, because it's a lot easier to make those additions before the project is completed. Once the plumbing and HVAC systems are installed, we then start our rough-in phase, since our wires are easier to maneuver around than the plumbing and the HVAC systems. In this phase, we mount all of the boxes, drill the holes, and run all of the wire through the house. This is the phase that we install the main electrical panel and the meter base outside that the utility company then runs their power to. Then once the project has been drywalled and painted, we come back and do the trim out. This is where we install the actual light fixtures, ceiling fans, recessed light trims, as well as all of the switches and receptacles. We will also wire the furnace and air conditioner and install all of the hardwired smoke detectors. So as Tracy mentioned, there is a code requirements that go into building any home and any of the systems, but for the electrical, it's a national electric code, and that changes every 3 years. So our electricians are brought up to date constantly with all the latest technology changes and safety requirements that the national level is implementing. And however, there's also local codes that the city of O'Fallon here has that we need to make sure that we're in compliance with. One of the most recent code additions is arc fault breakers, and that ensures the safety of the electrical system because arcing is usually caused when a wire behind the wall is damaged by a nail or screw that gets ran through it. So adding these arc fault breakers adds another layer of protection to your home's electrical system. The National Electric Code also tells us the minimum number of receptacles and circuits required for each room, where we can drill our holes, the size of wire required for major appliances, as well as requiring the new safety products such as the arc fault circuit breakers. Also are required to install hardwired interconnected smoke detectors in very specific locations. CMC Electric is a full-service electrical contractor located in Maryville, Illinois, but serving the entire St. Louis metropolitan area. We specialize in new construction, service work, and remodeling in both residential and commercial properties. We have specialized crews for each of those specific areas. My husband and I, Michael Cushing and Carrie Cushing, make up CMC Electric, and we have a great group of electricians that are highly trained, skilled, and with great work ethic that we're very proud to have.